Can I be honest with you for a minute, Mama? There was a time when it felt like we lived at the doctor's office. Every few weeks, someone in our house was sick. First one kid, then another, then my husband, then me. And I remember feeling like I was doing something wrong. But what I eventually realized is this. Most of us were never taught how to build a health foundation for our families. We were taught to react to sickness, not support the body every single day. When we started focusing on simple, whole food nutrition, things slowly began to shift. Less sickness, more energy, more peace in our home. Not perfection, just better foundation.